a lot of people nowadays get all their information on social media.
That's fun.
Okay.
So they listen to whatever social media has to say. So when we have, you know, real professionals coming in here and it's actually giving them the truth, it's definitely an eye opener to them, I believe.
I think traditionally barbershops have been like the epicenter of the community, and like we like to call it the Black Man's Country Club. So it's always been a place where you could just come and be yourself, and I think that tradition has held still until now. A barber is almost, we're like psychiatrists almost. So you'll be surprised at stuff that people will share with us.
A lot of times your barber is, your barber can be your doctor, your barber can be your best friend, you're somebody that you confide in, that you might not be able to take home and confide in. So yeah, I mean, we touch a broad spectrum of different avenues that deal with people.
I work for the Fairfax County Health Department. I'm on the health department's outreach team, and I conduct outreach specifically in our African American and in our Black immigrant populations here in the county. Real Talk actually started in April of 2021, and it started as a need to better reach our Black community members. So the barbershop was the perfect place to share information about the COVID-19 vaccine and to also address some of the concerns and mistrust that were circulating out in the community around the vaccine. Well, I know that I'm reaching my target populations when I see them. When I see them in the shop, I'm speaking with them, and also when people are expressing their appreciation for Real Talk and how much they want to continue Real Talk conversations in the barbershop.
With the community, it's about consistency. So right now we just got them kind of like, hey, that's pretty cool. But as it keeps going and going and going, more people will start to kind of soak into it and get more out of it. But we're just now in the beginning phases of it. And as we go, the snowball effect is going to make it bigger.
I think it's really important to protect the authenticity and the space that is already happening in the barbershop. So we like to keep the conversations very casual and just let them organically form the way they will.
I'm glad Real Talk came into the barbershop. Because if you want real talk, you gotta come into the barbershop to get the real talk. You can't go into McDonald's, you can't go into 7-Eleven, you can't go into the schools. You can't do all of that. The barbershop is actually the perfect place for real talk. And I was very excited that someone on the outside thought about us. You know, because the barbershop is like your state Democrats and Republicans. You know, so you have everybody in one, and you know, and that's where you get your good information from, is in the barbershop.
I've had people ask when we're going to do it again, so I think that it definitely touched the community. Like, some people got answers, so they want, you know, to see what's next. Right. Especially when we did the mental health one. I don't know how y'all's went, but the mental health, like, I learned some stuff from there that I didn't know about.
Oh, definitely. I learned a lot.
Yes, Real Talk in 2022 is going to be amazing. In addition to the Real Talk conversations, we're also going to have outreach days where people can come to the shop and be connected to different agencies or organizations. They'll be able to be connected to services and resources on the spot. And also, the barbers are going to be hosting their first annual Community Awareness and Celebration Day. And that's just going to be a day to bring the different communities from these different shops together to highlight the work that is happening in the Black community, and to also bring awareness and attention to Black mental health, Black physical health, and just self-care in general.
Unique reflection.
Folks can go to each individual barbershop to find out when their next Real Talk or Outreach Day is. You can visit True Reflections Barbershop, you can visit Perfections Barbershop, or you can visit Unique Reflections Barbershop.